The practice of Qi Gong, Tai Chi, and Chinese medicine has long been used to heal the body. Specifically, there are a variety of sounds that can be used to help heal the body, mainly the 6 sounds of the yin organs: the liver, heart, spleen, lungs, kidney, and triple warmer. The sounds are said to promote healing and help clear blockages in these organs. We will go over the 6 sounds, as well as a posture and attributes to assist in the strength of the techniques. In traditional Chinese medicine, sounds are capable of moving congested, stuck, or blocked energy in blood by creating internal vibrations and pressures. There are 6 sounds, and each sound has a different resonance with a specific body part and organ. We will show you some healing sounds that you can do to heal your organs and alleviate some of your imbalances. We suggest repeating these sound techniques 6 times per sitting. As you get better, you can increase the amount up to 3 sittings per day. The sounds in this healing exercise are done using only your voice. You do not need any instruments or any electronic gadgets. We use a specific set of sounds, but know that there are variations of these sounds depending on the style of Qi Gong or healing art that you practice. We find these 6 healing sounds to work well. In traditional Chinese medicine, the organs correspond to specific elements, emotions, colors, function, and tissues. This ancient system was created to explain natural phenomena ranging from the seasons to diseases of the human body. The organs that we review are all yin organs, but note that each yin organ has a yang organ counterpart that we have not mentioned. Being able to associate the organ with its correspondences gives us a better understanding of our changing health. And, the more connections that we make between the outside and inside worlds, the deeper our understanding of ourselves and our health will be. For this healing exercise, start by becoming familiar with your normal breathing. Breathe naturally into your lower abdomen. On each inhale, the abdomen will rise, and on each exhale, the abdomen will fall. Breathe deeply and gently, and don't force the breath. The first organ that we will cover is the liver. The liver is the wood element. It is associated with the emotion of anger and the color of green. It is most affected by excess stress or emotions. So, it is best to allow yourself to feel the emotion, express it if you need to, but don't hold on to it. If you find yourself getting irritable often, or if you stress out easily, it may be because your liver is telling you that its function is suffering and is asking for help. The quality of the liver manifests in the eyes, and therefore, you can usually see the anger in people's eyes. The sound of the liver is shh. Have a relaxed posture that is comfortable, whether it be sitting or standing. While you do this, hold your eyes wide open and stare in the distance. Start by breathing in, then exhale and make the sound shh. Make the sound slowly, naturally, and hold it as long as you can. Feel this resonance go through you all the way into your liver. You can also imagine a green light or green vibrations penetrating your liver. Do whichever feels most comfortable for you. The second organ is that of the heart. The heart is the fire element and is associated with joy, happiness, and love, and the color of red. The heart can get overwhelmed with frustration, hate, and strong emotions. Stress or lack of self-expression can directly impact this organ's function. The heart resonates with the sound of Hawww. For this exercise, sit or stand relaxed while you keep your mouth open and tongue flat while you make this sound. First, inhale. Then exhale, and make the Hawww sound. Hold this sound as long as you can. Feel the heart being squeezed or imagine the heart filling up with red light or love. The third organ we will cover is that of the spleen. The spleen is the earth element, is associated with the emotion worry and the color yellow. Its function is involved in the digestion and the transformation of food. As it is the organ of worry, it can get worn down with chronic stress, overthinking and worrying, anxiety and weight gain. These damage the spleen very quickly. The sound of that spleen is the sound Hawww. It is a guttural sound that is made from the throat. When doing this exercise, your posture is once again relaxed and comfortable. Have your mouth almost closed, just open enough to let the air pass. Hold this posture throughout the breath. Now, inhale. Then exhale, and make the gentle healing Hawww sound. Hold this sound for as long as you can. Try to imagine inhaling a golden yellow light that goes right into your spleen, stomach, and pancreas. Or you can focus on the feeling of your stomach being squeezed. The fourth organ is that of the lung. The lungs are the metal element. They are associated with the emotion of grief and sadness, and the lungs pair with the color white. Too much sadness and grief can harm the lung. It is important to let things go in a healthy way, so as not to damage the lungs. The lungs are especially sensitive to external factors from the environment. The sound of the lung is Sit or stand comfortably and have your mouth open, while you smile wide. Make the yes sound, like the hiss of a snake. Make it so the air comes out of your mouth as much as you can. When you are ready, inhale, then exhale and make the sound. Hold this for as long as you can. Imagine a white light that fills up your lungs. Release any sadness that you may be holding on to as you exhale. The fifth organ is that of the kidney. The kidneys are the water element, are associated with the emotion of fear and the color black. Any sort of trauma, physical or emotional, will affect the kidneys. The functions associated with the kidneys are that of reproduction, bones, urination, longevity, and your basic constitution. The kidney sound is a silent exhale. Like you are blowing out a candle. When doing this exercise, sit or stand comfortably, round your lips as you exhale forcefully through the mouth. Exhale and blow out the candles. As with the others, hold this as long as you can. Imagine a dark blue or black light filling each kidney. As you breathe, release your fears. Alternatively, try to feel as if your kidneys are being squeezed. Finally, the sixth organ is that of the triple warmer. This meridian covers the top, middle, and lower part of the body and is involved with irrigation and regulation of fluids. The triple warmer resonates with the Heeeee sound. When doing this technique, stand or sit relaxed. Inhale, then exhale as you make the Heeeee sound. Make the sound for as long as you can. Visualize a clear energy filling your entire body. Fill your body from the head to the feet. Feel a warmth travel from the top of the head down to the feet. This is said to help boost sexual energy and warm the lower body. Traditional Chinese medicine has a long and rich history of utilizing healing sounds to improve the health of organs, and therefore, the overall health of the individuals. The sound of the organs has a positive effect on the body, mind, and soul. It can be used to restore balance and harmony within the body. I invite you to experience the healing power of the Chinese organs for yourself.